This is how to make $175 an hour printing custom hoodies. First, we're going to purchase 12 hoodies for $4.58 from one of the wholesale suppliers on our vendors list at tricitywholesale.com. Next, we're going to buy 12 HTV sheets for 80 cents each, also at tricitywholesale.com. We're going to use crew cut to print the images, 11 by 9. Then we're going to weed the image and get rid of all the excess volume. The HTV is thermoflex and it's very easy to weed. After the weeding process is finished, you're going to place the design 3 inches below the collar and center it on the shirt. And then you're going to follow directions, press for 10 seconds on 325 degrees. You're going to wait 10 to 15 seconds before peeling. You're going to charge your customers $20 per hoodie, minimum orders of 12, and that'll leave you a profit of $175. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more free game.